So tonight we're gonna go ahead and do a review between McDonald's and Wendy's. Let's see.
Hello, what can I give you?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm gonna have one of you chicken sandwich.
Alright.
The one, the deluxe.
Deluxe, did you want that to be spicy or the regular?
Not just a regular. Is that the one with the lettuce and tomatoes?
Yes.
Okay. I'll just get one of those.
Just the regular, right?
Yes, just a sandwich. Yeah.
Okay, anything else?
That will do it. Thank you.
Go ahead and go forward.
Here we go. Wendy's. So we're visiting today two giants of the fast food. Let's take a look. Let's see.
Welcome to Wendy's. How may I help you?
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Very good. What can I do for you?
Can I have you let's do the Asiago chicken sandwich?
Just a sandwich?
Just a sandwich.
Okay. You have to let me know classic, spicy, or grilled. Okay. Anything else?
That will do it.
All right. That is 662. Next window, please. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Today, we're going to do a review, okay? There's this thing going on around about chicken sandwich between two guys, McDonald's and Wendy's. So today, we're going to go ahead and review this two sandwich. And let's see, what is the big deal about it? Okay? Some people say this guy is the best. This guy is the best. So let's try and see, and let's judge these two guys, you and me. And we're gonna do it right now. I have them here ready to go, okay? We're gonna go ahead and open these bags, review this, and let's see what happened. Hey, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please leave me a comment right down below. I would love to hear from you. Guys, with all said, well, we're not cooking. Let's review. Deluxe crispy chicken from McDonald's. And we have here the Asiago chicken sandwich from Wendy's. So, let's start here with this guy. Let's take a look, see what's going on here. So we do have nice toasted bun here. We do have the tomatoes. And also, I don't know if it's mayo, but it's something white sauce in there. I assume that's what it is. Now, the next thing is, let's see. Here's the chicken. It's a good size chicken. That's pretty much as simple. And once again, they toast the bread. Let's do that. And here we go. Now, let's take a look in this guy. This is Wendy's Asiago chicken sandwich. So, as you see, they do toast this bread. There's some white sauce in there also too. Maybe it's a secret sauce. Then you have your tomatoes. And right here, there's your bacon and some cheese. Now, if you see this chicken, it's way smaller than McDonald's. And by the way, you can tell immediately this guy here is frozen. Okay? So, fried. It's totally different. So let's go ahead and try this, guys, right now. This one guy here. Now, let's review this from the other side. As you see, okay, it's a good size of chicken. It's just a plain, simple sandwich. Okay, it's not much. I don't see nothing so crazy about it. So let's grab this one here. As you see, this one's different. Okay. Okay, you can see immediately. It's totally different. I think by far the quality of this one is better, McDonald's. The bread is a little upgrade to this one. And it's very nice and crispy. This one have the bacon, tomatoes, and one of the things that I noticed here in this sandwich is no pickles anywhere to be found in both sandwiches. So if you like pickles, you're one of those, there's no pickles here, guys. Let's go ahead and try this. Take the bite here, you really bite some chicken. You can feel it. It's well seasoned, okay? I have that good flavor on it, okay? It's very good. So let's go with Wendy's. Here we go. Let's take a look. Surprisingly, this one is wow. Very, very good. I'm in shock, okay? Wendy's is ahead. Brutal honesty. I don't work for McDonald's or Wendy's, so I'm free to tell you the way it is. I'm very surprised. The appeal of the sandwich at McDonald's is way different. The colors, you can see. Look at this. It's beautiful, very nice. I like the color of this bread too also. It's very nice and tender. The meat is very nice and juicy. Now, this guy really have lots of flavor. Now, two things here. This one I have bacon and cheese. As you know, I'm not one of those big bacon people. It's okay for me, but I have to tell you, Wendy's is by far my favorite in this review. Hey guys, don't forget, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and please leave me a comment right down below. My friends, like I always said, you deserve a good meal. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Please be safe. Yep. Wendy's got it. Yes, they do. Don't get near me.